Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Tuesday, March 21st, about 4 o'clock. Here's the bee activity here. Little do they know that tomorrow will be in the teens. An Arctic front coming back in. I was wondering if this was a swarm or not. Might have to invest in some more equipment, because if they swarm, I do not have anything to try to catch them in or house them in. Usually not this busy this late in the afternoon, but I guess the angle of the sun's just right. Warm enough to hive. I guess in addition to doing cleansing flights, they do orientation flights for bees that have been in the hive for the winter, I guess. Or have hatched since the last warm period. I would think that I have less bees now than going into winter. It doesn't seem like that. Yesterday I picked up a bee in the snow, and when it warmed up to my hand, it came back to life. So I think there are a lot of young bees that land in the snow and do not know how to handle that and succumb to the cold. I guess you can't expect swarms in April. So I should either try to build something or buy a nuke box or a swarm trap. I have some plywood. Guess all you need is a box with a hole in it and some dabs of lemongrass oil. So this is New England Gardening, Tuesday, March 21st. Just wanted to document the number of bees with the bee activity on the hive. End of March here. Short of a catastrophe, I would think I'll have bees going in the spring. And at some point I should probably start thinking about removing that bee cozy and the burlap to increase ventilation. And the screen bottom board.